Around in my car.
It's a CountryBoyModz production.
My 2020 Nissan Altima. What it looks like so far. Just installed the front lip. Just gave it a wash. Got to shine up these tires. I'll do that tomorrow. I'll give you a good look at the front lip here. Get that look. As you can see it, full walk around. Get a wide angle. Pretty much it. It is the Altima SR. You got the dual exhaust, rear diffuser, special rear diffuser. Man, that you got a kind of like got a wide angle view. Let's get in a little closer. Better picture, better video. Pretty much it. Full walk around. What should look like right now. Just installed that the other day. That lip. It's looking good. Looks real aggressive from the front. Super aggressive. Give y'all a better video of the lip later on. Sorry about it always being nighttime. Also want to show you this. You can see. See it's not on this side. Watching that open up my door. All right, you see my lights not on. They're not on at all. You don't even see them on. But check this out. Keep your eye on it now. Boom. See them cut on? Yes, sir. Y'all know y'all couldn't do that, huh? Oh yeah, we're gonna have this looking good. Feeling good. Show y'all a better way. Cut the light off inside, that way you can see them. You see them on? Give it a few seconds for it to cut off. But meanwhile, while we wait for those to cut off, matter of fact, I'll let you see it right now. We'll sit right here and we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait for this to cut off so you can see that I'm not bull jiving y'all. Cause ain't gonna be no cut in between a video or nothing like that. Give it a few more seconds. Should cut off. The next thing, I'm gonna be going to the back with this and taking care of that. All right, you see him just cut off, right? Now, I'm about to open the door and watch him cut off. Oh, you saw that, right? I'm closing the door back like I just opened the door.